Well, hello y'all, and welcome again to another chapter of the Brian's Bus Adventure. Still working on the relay panel, and as you can see up in here, we have, if I can get it up there, yeah, we have mounted it, or I should say I have mounted it temporarily to the back of the bus. And as you can see, the negative side is over here on this side, positive is on the other side there, so that's where we'll be running wires. I looked at this wire here very closely, and I was going to run a new wire for it, but after checking it out, that wire really is in good shape, and I'm just going to reinsert a fusible link back here as it right next to the battery, so it gets full juice going back here from this 24-volt system, and it'll get full juice going back to the relay panel. Remember, it only takes about 0.7 amps to trigger a relay, so that's going to be really nice. And that will take care of all this spaghetti factory we have back here. These, I don't know who did this, but anyway, it is unique, let's put it that way. But I have drilled the holes in the back of the frame back here to mount the panel. And again, this is just a mock-up because remember, I have to come back in here and find all of these, well, I found all the wires, but rewire all of the source wires into this relay panel, and then also wire in the triggers that come from the front of the bus into this relay panel. Oh, it's going to be well, it's a lot of fun. But look at that spaghetti. Look at that. Look what somebody has done there in the past. Interesting. That's going to be all cleaned up. It's going to be inside conduit. It'll probably be the plastic conduit, but that's okay. And we'll have good juice back here. Also to the Toad, and this is the plug-in for the Toad. It's a really nice two-way plug-in there. And we'll come back in here and also be rewiring a lot of the wiring that's back here in the back of this bus also. And we need to find out why the tach is not working, why the pyrometer is not working, and fix it. And again, this is what's going on today on the Brian's Bus Adventure. Hope you all like it. If you like it, then go ahead and show us you like it by giving us a check mark and then sharing it with a friend, and maybe even subscribing to the channel. Or if you really like it, of course, you can go ahead and do a Patreon with us, and that's at patreon.com/Brian's Bus Adventure. A lot of work left to do, but every day we're trying to chunk off just another piece of the puzzle here, and it is definitely an adventure. Again, hope you have a real good day, and again, like it like you like it, or however that goes. This is the Brian's Bus Adventure. Bye.